And hello there, it's Dr. Brenda. Happy Money Monday challenge. You got a challenge this week. It's no surprise what this challenge is going to be because it is November 21st. Guess what happens this week? It's Thanksgiving week, but oh no, poor Thanksgiving week. We bypass it and we head right into the holidays and Christmas, don't we? Poor Thanksgiving. So this is Black Friday week, and the Black Friday specials are already happening. I know I've taken advantage of a lightning deal from Amazon to buy a nice heated vest. And I'll tell you what, man, they got us figured out. I had 15 minutes once I had that item in the cart to make the purchase, and I had that lightning deal was going to expire very soon. I had to press the buy button. They are so good at getting us to part with our money. So your challenge is have a plan, my friends. Have a plan. What's on your list of the things that you're planning to buy? How much do you plan to spend on it? Stick to that list. Now, I just did a workshop, and I've got the recording for you. You can watch the recording free. I'm going to give you the link where you can register. It's Design Your Strategy to Avoid the Holiday Credit Card Hangover, because that's what happens. We start spending around Thanksgiving, and the spending doesn't end until late December, sometimes beyond that. And then the credit card bill comes due in the new year, and we're like, oh man, here we go again. I want you to avoid that. So that link is in the description. But you know what? Get that plan. Make your list. Get yourself a budget. This is your challenge for the week. I want you to go into this, the frenzy, the Black Friday frenzy, really, really strong. Let me know how you did, if you were able to stick to your plan. And you know what? This can wait. Okay, I need a turkey hat. I need a Thanksgiving hat. Let's celebrate Thanksgiving first. Let's be thankful. Let's be grateful for everything that we have. And let's build a plan as we head into this season, guys. All right, you take care. Let me know how you did. Bye-bye.